under their curse.
All right, YouTubes. Got a call for a water leak at an ice maker. Guy's gonna meet me over there this morning. I'll bring you guys along and we'll see if we can find where this is leaking water. I'll bring you guys along for it. Let's check it out. See what condition Mr. Tippins is in. Oh yeah, fell over into the refrigerant jug. You little slacker. All right, I'm gonna get some gloves, my knee pads, and Mr. Tippo. We'll grab Tippins first. Oh, wake up! It's time to go to work. There you go. Grease monkeys, those funky monkeys. Don't have the combo, the door, the ice maker's inside here. I'm trying to get the combination. Sometimes they'll have it written on the wall somewhere. So I texted my guy. I need the combo for the closet door. See how we make out. Alright, we got water. R2D2. We got water barrier. We got, oh yeah, angle stops off, so that's good. Let's see what we got down here. Drains are in. Possibly water coming from the back. Let's go get it. Ice machine's unplugged. Put these over here. Let's go get the ladder. We'll take a look. 3/8 poly tubing. Pressurized. Here's something. Oop. Okay, here's. I gotta get back there and take a look. There it is. Sprayer, see it? Sprayer on the tubing. I wonder. Oh yeah. Not being happy. Alright, that whole system is like poly tubing fittings. I'm gonna bypass that water filter for now because I don't have any of this tubing. So I need to get a new fitting of these and some poly tubing. But for today, if I have a fitting, we could do the old dishwasher kit. See, little plumbing. You put all the plumber stuff right here because, you know, it's just a bummer to be a plumber, especially in the summer, because all you get's dumber. So look, I got parts flying everywhere. Nerds flying. All right, let's see. So what we need, I think, is this guy right here. Yep, put this in the machine. We can go bink, bink. That'll get us no water leaks for now. We'll get a new fitting and some poly tubing, and we'll come back, 'cause today's Sunday. And then we can come back and hook up that water filter. I should sell my Everpure head. We can go this, ping, 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 all the way. Rated 86, that polytube. I'm gonna talk to them about that. Maybe we could sell a head and a filter cartridge. I think that'd be the way to go. Okay. I'll do that for now. I think we will. I think we'll go. We'll get rid of this Arctic Pure. I think we'll get an Everpure head and filter. I think that's what we'll do. Alright, get this dude back to going. Making eyes magic. Ahoy, matey. Swab the deck. That little sprayer sprayed for a long time back there. That's the problem with that poly tubing, is it over time it'll get old and heat up and deteriorate. Not a fan of that stuff. I only used part of that fitting, so I always like to keep that stuff. So we're gonna order up an Everpure head and cartridge, and we'll just go back with the braided hoses, and that thing will be a good repair. Today we just bypassed that filter. It's Sunday, that'll keep the ice going, so they can work the magic in there. I need to write down that combination for that door lock. Nipro 3s right here. Thanks to Dan Whittles. Look at that, huh? Ooh, magic. All right, YouTube, it's 4:15 p.m. on, what day is today, Wednesday? Yeah, Wednesday. Customer said the unit tripped the breaker and smoke came out on a prep table. So the factory smoke came out of this thing. Let's go see what we're getting into. A little drive across here. I'm on the iPhone today, the GoPro's at home. We'll film with the iPhone. Like I always say, the iPhone films better, the quality's a lot better. And let's go check this one out. All right, here's the back of the unit. Kind of plug it. Here's the cord. Get it out of there. I don't want to plug it in just yet. The cord looks okay. Jimi Hendrix. Get this out of here so we can wash it, clean it up real good. There. We'll get that tidied up here. This connector right here on the relay is crispy. I think we're gonna fix that one. Sure. Well, let's see what's smoking. I pulled the relay out. I got voltage to the coil for this thing. I got a spare one on my truck. There's a bunch of discoloration on some of the pins. And I fixed that one connector. So I'm going to change out this relay and see if that's our issue. I swapped out the relay. Let's see if we can get this thing to fire off. Nada. Let's see, maybe something's burned up in the compressor compartment. I'm gonna pull it out from the front. All right, compressor's original recipe. It looks like 2000, possibly 2004. Let's take a look in here. Oh, I thought it was gonna be mega burned up. It's not. It looks okay in there. Okay, so now I gotta check where this plugs into the back. I just wanted to make sure nothing was burned up in there first. We found the problem. She's cooked. Where the plug, where this goes bolted up to the top there, where the plug goes in, that's where the smoke came from. She is melted. Melted. And it's petrified in there. Can you see that? Come on, iPhone, try and focus. Yeah, petrified. Let's get it on. There's our repair.
Large salads are 11.05. Small salads with like a scoop or something on it is 9.5.
We'll clean that up in a second. Let's test it out and see if it works. Hey, there we go. This tidied up. I got the grill, I washed the grill out, it's all clean. But let's get this tidied up. Okay, there it is, all tidied up. Make sure you get your grommet back on these where the cord goes through. New relay, burned up wire connector fixed, melted down connector fixed. We'll plug it in, we'll check the charge. Alright, so here's that burned up wire connector that was on the relay. There's the contacts. Let's see how pitted those are. This was the other half. Let's see, where are they at? Oh yeah, right here, these two. Pretty torn up. Alright, charge on this one's good. Box is hot, look at that. Probably has a little too much gas in it. But we're good on charge. Let's see how it's cooling.
What is in hooch? What's in there?